I am doing my very first Facebook Live because I want to tell you about something really exciting that I'm participating in later this week. I am going to be on a panel with other realtors and lenders that are going to be hosting a home buyers workshop that will stream live on one of our sister Facebook pages, Home Ownership 101 by Century 21 Goodyear Green. We're going to be talking about things like why you should hire a realtor, a little bit of information straight from the pros about financing, how to and when to start searching for that home, making an offer, and what happens after that offer is accepted. So let me show you real quick how you'll find the Facebook event, and then we'll go from there. You're going to head over to Homeownership 101 by Century 21 Goodyear Green here on Facebook, and then you're just going to kind of scroll down a little bit until you see the pinned post right here that has all the details for the event. And like you can see, it's Thursday at 6 o'clock, and what I want you to do then is click on this little rectangle here with the calendar to get a reminder, and that is going to make it so that Facebook will send you a notification just a little bit before our event starts. But if you can't make it, no worries. Of course, during the event, you will be able to answer all of your questions live. But if you can't be there, then just catch the replay later. I will have it here at Okie Homegirl, as well as then over at Homeownership 101 by Century 21 Goodyear Green. I hope that you will help us out and share the event, because remember, if you're thinking about buying a home, there's a good chance that some of your friends are. So share the love and help us out. Have a great day. Bye-bye.